Do you know how to play this one? I really miss my high school moments for playing Rubik's Cube. Nagpo-compete ni sa mga classmate kasi niyo play Rubik's. So I'm gonna form color blue first. Color blue. We're done, color blue. Next, first layer. We're gonna assemble this one. I want you to know that so we're almost done here. Dara. So we're gonna put this color yellow into this.
Sorry.
Oh my god. So this, we're done sa first layer. Orange, white, red, and yellow. Next one is the second layer. So we're gonna do this. What's next? I'm not that expert, though. We're almost done here. This one, we're gonna make this into red. So we're done. First layer, second layer. Next, third layer. So red, white, second formula steps. So if ever ingay na siya, cross, then we're gonna do the next steps. This one. Okay, we're gonna do also the last steps. Red, and almost done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Green, white,